The most famous reindeer of all,
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny...
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the preparations that I need to start doing for the wedding. So if you don't know, my best friends Adya and Mayur are getting married literally within weeks and I have absolutely nothing sorted, so I really need to get my shit together, and I've prepared like a to-do list, of course, and we're just gonna go through it and I'm gonna vlog my whole prep and the preparation process basically. Okay, so the first thing on my list is that I need to get my outfits sorted. Now I've decided that I'm going to be making all of my outfits from scratch, and I will share all of my plans with you guys in a little bit, but this is the decision that I've taken, and it's only because first of all, buying proper clothes from stores is going to be very expensive, and secondly I won't be able to find something very unique, something that I want personally. I have gone to a lot of shops with Adya when she was shopping for her outfits, and I just did not seem to like anything, so I just thought ki just making all of my outfits from scratch will be a good idea, because I have a really good tailor also and I can just Pinterest whatever I want. So that's the first thing that I need to get sorted ASAP, क्योंकि बनने में भी टाइम लगेगा, टेलर आंटी को भी स्टिच करने में टाइम लगेगा. उसके अलावा I need to buy some makeup, so I'm taking this opportunity, शादी की opportunity कि I'm gonna go and buy some more luxe makeup. I usually stick to my Maybellines and more affordable stuff, which actually works really well, but I want to kind of experiment with more expensive luxury makeup, so I'm going to buy a few things. I want to buy the Huda Beauty concealer, I want to buy an expensive foundation just for fun, honestly. So that's what I want to do. Oh, I also want to buy some color corrector. I think I need some color corrector in my life, so that's another thing. Uske alawa, oh my god, this is so important, I need to buy my hair extensions. So I have been wanting human hair extensions for the longest time. If you know anything about hair extensions, you will know that hair extensions are very expensive. And I mean, I love my hair, this is what my hair looks like right now, but I want more length for the wedding. I want my hair to look super long, super luscious and thick, so that's why I want to buy some hair extensions. I'm very confused कि कहाँ से लूँ, but I have to place an order आज के आज ही, वरना आएंगे ही नहीं टाइम पे, because I need to go and get them colored also, because as you can see my hair is not black, right? So I'm going to have to get it matched to my hair, so that's one thing I need to do. And the last thing on my to-do list is to get a pair of lenses, which I already got this morning, so that's done. I'll actually share with you a clip of the first time that I put them on, just so that you can see my real reaction.
Flashback.
Guys, I just wore the lenses and this is what they look like. This is the first time that I'm wearing them, and they're very subtle, you can hardly even tell that I'm wearing lenses, but you can tell that I'm wearing lenses. So I actually quite like them, very comfortable to wear. Since it's a new brand, I was a little bit worried that maybe it might not be comfortable, but I like it so far. I'm gonna wear it today also. I'm gonna wear it for a few days so that I'm comfortable in them for the wedding and stuff like that. But thumbs up from my end, I'm really happy. Yeah, so they're very subtle. I really like them. I didn't want to go for a weird color like a green or a blue, because I knew that wouldn't suit me personally. Just a brown, something very subtle that people can't even tell that I'm wearing, but it's just a little bit something, I've never ever worn colored lens in my life. I've been wearing contacts for 10 years, 10 plus to nahi, 10 years, almost 10 years at this point, but मैंने कभी भी colored lenses नहीं पहने. This is the first time, and I think it's a nice change. For the shadi especially, I think it's a nice change. Also, I am not wearing any nails. I'm giving my nails a break till the wedding. I might do press-ons beach mein if I need to film sit down videos, but other than that I'm nail-less. It's been a while since I've just let my nails be. So शादी तक कुछ भी नहीं, शादी तक नहीं, actually cocktail के पहले हम करा लेंगे, but yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so checking in after a few days, I think I've figured out most of my outfits, what I want to do for most of my outfits. एक दो अभी भी है जिसके बारे में I'm not sure, but for the most part I'm done. So let me start off by explaining the theme. So for the entire wedding, I want to do jewel tones, emerald, ruby, sapphire, वो type का scene करना है मुझे, because usually I am so into pastels that I never really wear like deeper, darker colors. So I want to kind of challenge myself this time. Okay, one second. Before I show you all of my outfit inspirations and like what I'm thinking for each of my outfits, let me actually just share my small little thesis that I've done on the current like fashion trends. So I've noticed ki aajkal belt on top of your lehenga is very, very popular. Like, you know, where they do like a small little belt on your waist on top of the dupatta. I think that looks really cool, so I want to incorporate that. Other than that, a belt bag is very, very popular. I've noticed that also. It's like a very fun Indo-Western theme. Then matching potli is also another thing, like where your lehenga and your potli are made up of the same fabric, so that is definitely something else also that I want to do. Then flowers in your hair is also a big thing, like flowers, like roses in your hair. I think that's very, very pretty. And then Lucknowi, I've seen a lot of Lucknowi lately, so I want to incorporate that also. So the whole point of explaining like all of these like trendy things is that I want to kind of incorporate like these little elements in all of my outfits, little by little, of course. So for Haldi, I'm obviously wearing yellow, like topaz. Topaz is the vibe. So this is the mood board right here. I want to do a 3-piece set wherein I wear like a top, pants, and then a jacket. I know that's very like typical, right? But I want to do it, and I've been wanting to do it for a very, very long time. So I'm like, let's do it for Haldi. Fir uske alawa, my hair is going to be, I want to do a braid, like some sort of braid for my hair. Jewelry, I'm going to keep it silver. And then for my makeup, I'm going to keep it very clean, but then like a pop of yellow, maybe. Let's see how it looks like sab kuch saath mein. Chalo, next we'll move on to Mehendi. Mehendi is going to be the next event. So Mehendi ke liye, I want to wear like a blue, like a cobalt blue. I feel like this color is really, really trendy and it looks so cool. But I want to do bandhani. I really want to do bandhani in like one of my outfits, so I thought let's do bandhani in the Mehendi outfit. And I'm going to do like a pant and top situation again, very like Indo-Western vibes. Going to keep my hair very wavy, very like natural and beachy. Silver jewelry again, and then I'm going to do a little bit of blue, like a blue wing or something like that, like a pop of blue somewhere. Then next hai Sangeet. अभी संगीत के लिए भी आई एम अ लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज. सो इनिशियली मुझे एमरल्ड ग्रीनिश करना था, लाइक ये कलर काइंड ऑफ करना था मुझे, बट आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर. आई टेल यू व्हाई. जो मेरा शादी का आउटफिट है दैट हैज ये काइंड ऑफ ये टाइप का कलर है. सो आई एम लाइक, डू आई वांट टू रिपीट द सेम कलर ट्वाइस? ग्रांटेड कि उसमें साड़ी में पिंक भी है. ओ बाय द वे, माय वेडिंग आउटफिट. सो आई एम गोना बी वेयरिंग अ नववारी. आई हैव नेवर वोर्न अ नववारी इन माय लाइफ. इट्स अ मराठी style, like Marathi plus Marwadi style wedding, like it's a fusion, right? So all the ladki wale are going to be wearing navwari, so obviously I wanted to do that as well. So I'm going to be wearing a navwari. I've already bought my navwari. So that's my shadi outfit. Now moving on to reception. I'm very excited about my reception outfit because it's going to be a full white outfit. Now this is like diamond in my head. I know it's not like a jewel, is it? Maybe it is, I don't know. But I really wanted to do a white outfit. It's very in my comfort zone. This is, I think, the only outfit which is in my comfort zone actually. But I love it. I'm going to do like a full Lucknowi vibes ka lehenga. And then I'm going to do like a pop of red, and then lots of like red roses in my hair in a bun, and makeup is going to be super, super clean. That's my inspiration for now. Okay, so that's it for all of my outfits. I'm gonna go and buy my kapda maybe today or tomorrow. I'm gonna go and buy it. I have done like outfit from scratch so many times, so I'm not gonna like vlog the whole thing. I'll link a few of my videos that I've done in the past in case you want to like see how I do it step by step. But basically I'm just gonna go to the same shop, pick up some kapda, and then give it to my tailor. That's basically it. So yeah, I think that's basically it for this segment. I'll check in with you guys when something else like comes up, like shadi related. Good morning and welcome to the next day. Shadi preps continue. I have to rush to I don't even know where actually, but we need to pick out outfits for Aditya. क्योंकि उसका कुछ भी shopping नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, absolutely nothing. So I need to go for that. Okay, so we're finally done with the shopping. Tell them क्या हुआ shopping.
शादी का आउटफिट, रिसेप्शन 1 का आउटफिट, रिसेप्शन 2 का.
Yeah, there are 2 receptions.
बस.
ओह यार दैट इज ट्रू, दैट्स इट. सिर्फ संगीत का बचा टेक्निकली, हल्दी मेहंदी का है बट उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं है हल्दी मेहंदी का. So we're basically done with Adi's shopping. मेरा खुद का संगीत का आउटफिट नहीं हुआ, as you guys know. So going well. Now I forced Aditya to take me to this dosa wala. So on the road there's this dosa wala who makes the most yummy Mysore masala dosas ever. And मैंने 2 साल से एक्चुअली खाया नहीं. मतलब लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैंने खाया है 1-2 बार. लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे नहीं, लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद 1-2 बार मैंने आके खाया है ना. आई डोंट थिंक दो टाइम से ज्यादा मैं आई हूँ. आई यूज्ड टू कम टू दिस प्लेस ऑल द टाइम एंड टुडे इज द लास्ट टाइम दैट आई एम हैविंग इट. इसके बाद आई एम डायरेक्टली गोना हैव इट पोस्ट शादी. एंड कल से कल मंडे है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो लाइक अ नाइस स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट. सो
And go to the gym.
and go to the gym regularly. So checking in after quite a few days. It's been a while since I've like vlogged because everything has been so go. But I woke up early this morning and I started filming mainly because I wanted to do like a trial on myself कि मैं कैसे मेरा makeup करने वाली हूँ. So I thought I'll film it also, might as well, like a get ready with me for my mehendi. And I think it turned out really well. I'm very happy with my makeup, the way it has turned out. I will share with you guys some of my favorite makeup products, like luxury makeup products. As I had mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did end up buying so many makeup products, expensive makeup products, but I'm only going to share with you guys the things that I feel are actually worth it, you know, that you can also invest your money in. Now talking about the agenda for today, I need to go and like pamper myself. Like I need to get my eyebrows done, I need to do, I think maybe like body polishing, I need to change up my nails. So these are the nails I got done for the cocktail. Honestly मैंने एक फोटो तो ली नहीं, तो पता नहीं मैंने क्यों ये nails कराए. So I have to like go and get them changed because these funky nails obviously are not going to go with my Indian outfit. I'm either thinking I'm going to do like a French tip or I'm going to do like glitter tips for my nails, something very neutral so that it goes with all of my looks. I'll figure that out in a bit. But उसके अलावा मुझे शायद body polishing कराना है अगर मुझे time मिला तो. By the way, everything's going to begin in 2 days. Literally I only have 2 days in my hand. Let me start off by showing you guys all the expensive makeup products that I think are worth your money. First one is by Charlotte Tilbury. Now Charlotte Tilbury is a very expensive brand, but I feel like their makeup is out of the world. Like most of their products I love, but this one especially, oh my god, it's so freaking good. This is called the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is basically like a highlighter almost. This you can use on directly like your skin. You can mix it in with your foundation or you can put it on top of your skin for like a glow, and this will look very natural. Like this is not going to give you a beaming glow, but if you want to look like very natural and very like glowy from within, this is just something very different. Like I have found products which give you like that glow from within, but ye wala is just out of this world. Then we have one more product from Charlotte Tilbury, not sponsored, I promise. It is their setting powder. I'm in the shade medium. It looks very light for me, but actually it's perfect. Like it's the perfect shade for me. It's such a good powder. Obviously you can always just go for the Maybelline Fit Me powder for the like 250 rupees. This is like 10 times more the price, but it's just such a pretty powder. It has like enough coverage. It's very mattifying, blurring, like all the good things. Honestly, it's really good. I actually have one more powder, and this is a loose translucent powder, transparent translucent powder. And if you have a Sephora or a Nykaa near you, please go and swatch this powder. You will know what I mean. Like once you apply it on your skin is going to feel like baby butt smooth, like so soft. The main reason why I got this is so that I can carry it in my pouch or my potli or something like that, because in case like Adya the bride gets oily, I can like quickly like set it. And the beautiful thing about this is that it doesn't like get cakey. Usually when you like do powder के ऊपर powder बहुत ही cakey लगने लगता है, ये वाला नहीं करता है. So that's like my main purpose. And then the last product that I have, this I've used for quite a few years at this point, and I just recently repurchased this. This is Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Venus. Now I love this shade because you can put this on top of any lipstick and it makes everything very matte, and it just adds so much like 3D and like dimension. On its own you can't wear this shade, by the way, but when you layer it with lipsticks, It looks so pretty. So this is also very much worth buying. Okay, so those are my top picks for you guys. I'm gonna make sure to link them for you guys in the description box below. I'm gonna go get done with my filming. I do need to get a few more things done, and then I'll pick up the camera and show you around, like show you more shadi preps. Hi guys, so it is the next day. I'm done with most of my like pamper things. Like I did want to get like a body polishing done, but I don't think we have the time for it. Kal se sab kuch shuru ho raha hai. Yesterday night I had like a little bit of a meltdown regarding my skin. I have been very upset about it. I've been crying myself to sleep. That sounds very sad, but it's true. I've been like, my self-esteem has been so low because of my skin. My skin is my biggest insecurity. But after like the whole crying session, I realized that what is more important. Like we've been waiting for this day for months, probably even a year. I need to look at the bigger picture. My best friend is getting married. It's like one of the most important days in our lives. I can't be crying about my skin, so I'm just gonna roll with it. It's really bad, like it's not doing good at all, but I'm like, whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna push it aside and I'm not going to let it affect like these upcoming days. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys my extensions, the hair extensions that I had gotten, and I got them colored also. So let me quickly show you them. So this is the brand that I went with. It's called the One Hair Stop India, and this is the 6-piece wala set, and this is what the actual hair looks like. It's matched perfectly to my actual hair. It does look a little bit dry, so I think I'm going to just add a little bit of hair mask because it is human hair. So I'm just going to be using the products that I use on my real hair. But I think that's basically it for today's video. I'm going to end the vlog right here because I need to start another vlog wherein I show you all the preparation that we're doing for haldi, mehndi, then there's going to be sangeet, shadi, reception, all of that. I'm going to try to vlog as much as possible, but I think that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!